Hey guys, cheers. This is neov of AhhhSoNeo saying hi. How are you doing? Hope you've been well. I'm going to do a really quick unboxing today of the pieces I was lucky to snag of the Chanel No. 5 Factory collection. Now, I did get to be handed the cute little shopping bag here that I will be doing some fun stuff with. Unfortunately, I was not provided any samples because my local Saks store had run out of it. But they actually had quite a few of the pieces still in stock. So call your local Saks department. Do not do the water bottles though, that is gone. So, but I did want to share quickly with you guys what I was provided with. I did get the limited edition catalog, the Factory 5 collection. And then I got this, which is, I believe, the soap. So I did manage to score that. And then I got the thing that I really, really, really wanted. Oops, that's my receipt. Which was, oh God, it smells so good. The bath salts. I love this container. I just love it so much. I honestly, I basically just paid for this tin. That's what I wanted. Oops. This does come with the little bath salts in here. And yeah, I was just really excited to be able to pick that up, and the soap. And then I was super excited too because those were basically the only items that I wanted. So I got what I wanted, which is pretty good for me. So that's it. That is all that I picked up from the Chanel No. 5 Factory collection. Bummed I don't have any samples, but I can live with it. So that's it. Those are the pieces that I got from the Factory 5 collection. Just the little bath soaps, which smell delicious. The little bath salts and the bath soap. So that's it. That's all I managed to pick up from the Chanel Factory No. 5 collection. Hope you enjoyed it. Stay well, guys. Choose happiness. It's a choice. It's a choice you get to make every day. Make sure you're making the right choice for you. Bye.